Welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about how to adjust the volume on the micropipette, how to prepare for your laboratory quiz, and also to feel confident in the laboratory using laboratory equipment, including micropipette. For the beginners, it can be confusing because the same numbers on different micropipettes may mean different volume. On the top knob of each micropipette, you can see the maximum volume that this micropipette can work with. For example, this one can work with up to 1000 microliters, and this one up to 20 microliters. And the range for this one would be from 200 microliters to 1000 microliters. And for this one, from 2 microliters to 20 microliters. And as for the P200, the range would be from 20 microliters and to 200 microliters. So if we have P1000 micropipette, what this dial window shows us? Take a look at this picture. If you are using P1000 pipette, the top red number is the thousands. So this stands for the thousands digit. The middle number is the hundredths digit, this one. And the lower number is the tenth digit. In the example on the left, 350 microliters of the liquid would be pipetted. The numbers should range from 200 microliters to 1000 microliters, or from 200 microliters up to 1 milliliter, which is the same as 1000 microliters. Now let's take a look at this window. Though stop number here is not in red, this can be a little bit confusing, like in this example. We still know that if it is P1000, then we have here 1000 microliters, not 100, but 1000 microliters or 1 milliliter. Now let's imagine that this dial stands for the micropipette P200. Again, take a look at this picture. If you are using the P200 pipette, the top number in the hundredths digit. So this is going to be in the 100 digits. The middle number is the tenth digit. And the bottom number is the ones digit. In the example on the left, 95 microliters of liquid would be pipetted. The set numbers should range between 0, 20 and 200 for this pipette, or between 20 and 200 microliters. Now, if we consider that this is dial of P200, this is going to be hundreds, tens, and ones. So this is going to be 100 microliters, which is in the range of this micropipette, which is between 20 and 200 microliters. But what if our micropipette is going to be P20? In this case, take a look at this picture again. If you are using the P20 pipette, the top number represents the tenth digit. The middle number represents ones digit, and the bottom red number represents the tenth digit. So 1/10. There is a decimal between the middle and bottom number. So imagine the decimal point is here. In the example on the left, we have here not 25 microliters but 2.5 microliters, and this 2.5 microliters would be pipetted. The numbers should range between, as I said, 2 and 20 microliters. So maximum what we can get here, 200, which would equal to 20 microliters, and 20 or 020, which would equal to 2 microliters. So now let's return to this window. If this is going to be P20, we are going to get here 10 microliters, not 100, 10 microliters. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.